Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this cartoon sticker from any picture in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just open a new page, or actually do not really need it. Here is the picture what I would like to use, and now just zooming a bit, just reduce the size a bit, removing the background. And this is the page number 3. So I go into the download, increasing the size as the maximum to get a best result as possible. Download it with a transparent background, and just need to download my last page. So here I just add any background what I wish. I will use this light blue, dark blue, transparent background, and go into the apps and looking for the cartoon filter. Just opening it, I just have to choose a file. I just choose the file what I uploaded lately. That's important to download the transparent background. In this case, no other things will be on a sticker or actually on a picture. I just increasing the size again and go into the edit, shadow, outline, and changing the color to white. And now we have the final result, this cartoonized sticker which was created from one picture. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to click that small like button if you really enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. And see you on my next tutorial. Ciao.